Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla steering wheel. Park the car, disconnect the battery, and remove the airbag module first. Use a 10 mm socket to remove steering column covers and mark the wheel position before loosening the center nut. Carefully disconnect horn and controls and swap the wheel, then torque the nut to manufacturer spec and reconnect the airbag, testing all functions afterwards safely. Start by collecting tools: 10 mm socket, torque wrench, steering wheel puller, trim tools, and safety gloves. Remove trim carefully to avoid breaking clips and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Note clock spring position and avoid rotating it more than necessary to prevent damage. If replacing controls, disconnect connectors gently and label wires. Refit the new wheel aligning marks, torque the nut correctly, and verify horn, airbag, and steering controls operate before driving. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I recommend The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that changes how you think about money and helps simplify goals. It pairs nicely with DIY car savings when you avoid shop labor costs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy it, pick it up. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common issues like misaligned steering, rattles, or airbag warning lights, and address them before driving. If the wheel feels off-center after installation, loosen and realign using your marked position and retorque the nut. An airbag light may indicate connector or clock spring faults requiring inspection or replacement. Test drive slowly in a safe area to confirm steering response, returnability, and that there are no unusual noises or binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.